Welcome to Core English. In this lesson, we learn how sentences tell us where something happens. Every clear sentence can answer simple questions. Who or what? What happens? What is? What has? But now we will add an additional piece of information. Where? Where tells us the location of a thing, action, or a situation. Words that tell us where help make sentences clearer. Here are some common words and word combinations that answer where. At home, at work, at school, in a shop, in an office, in the kitchen, online, outside, here, there. Let's look at some sentences. I study English at home. She works in an office. We meet at the zoo. Each sentence tells us where something happens. Where words often come. At the end of a sentence. At the beginning of a sentence. At the end. I read at home. They talk online. At the beginning. At home, I read. Online, they talk. We ask about a location using where. Where do you study? Where does she work? Where do they meet? The answer usually includes a where word or words. I study at home. She works at school. They meet online. Where is often extra information. The sentence is complete without it. I study. She works. Adding where makes the meaning clearer. I study at home. She works in an office. Just remember this. Where words tell us the location of something, listen for them, read them, and practice using them. In this lesson, you learned that sentences can tell us where something happens. Where words answer the question of location. Where can come at the beginning or end of a sentence. Adding where makes meaning clearer. In the next lesson, we will cover asking questions using sentences. Now download your practice sheet for Lesson 5 at our website, coreenglish.org, and do the drills. Also, please help us out by liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel.